Good morning, student. Myself Gadak sir from Sram Shakti Vidyaniketan, Mandal School. Okay, friends, we are learning math subject for the 7th standard. Into the last lecture, we have seen that the chapter HCF. Okay, so from this chapter, we have seen the topic that is HCF. So, meaning of the word HCF is highest common factor. So, up to the last lecture, we have seen how to find out the HCF of the given number. So, number may be 2 number or 3 numbers are given. So, you have to find out the HCF of that given 2 or 3 numbers. So, how to find out the HCF? We have seen, for that purpose, we have seen two methods. First one is factorization method, or second method is division method. That means you can find out the HCF of given number by the factorization method also or division method also. So, how to factorize the number and from the factors, how to take the HCF of the given number, that we have seen up to the last lecture. So, into the today's lecture, we are going to start the next topic of the same chapter. So, I think all of you get the proper idea about the how to find HCF. Now, we will move toward the LCM. That is the next point, LCM. So, first you will see what is the meaning of the word LCM. So, the meaning of the word LCM is least common multiple. Least common multiple. Okay. So, what is the meaning of the word LCM? Is the least common multiple. So, HCF means highest common factor and LCM means least common multiple. So, what is the difference between HCF and LCM? That we will see while solving the numerical. So, how to find out the LCM for the given number, that we will see into the today's lecture. Okay. So, friends, for finding out the HCF, we have seen how many methods? We have seen the two methods, which are the factorization, second one is the division. But for finding out the LCM, division method is not useful. That means second method is not useful. We can find out the LCM of the given number only by the factorization method. That means into the finding LCM, we again require the topic that is factorization. If you know the factorization, how to factorize the number, then you can also find out the LCM. Simplest method, that is for finding out the LCM, is the factorization method. Division method is not useful for finding out the LCM. You can only use factorization method for the finding out LCM. So, what is the difference between HCF and LCM? That will be seen now. Okay. So, friends, suppose I am taking two numbers. Suppose 12 and 18. Which number I have taken? 12 and 18. Now, first I will show how to find out HCF. So, for finding out the HCF, I am going to use factorization method. I am not going to use division method. Okay. So, from the factorization, we write here HCF. Okay. So, for factorization method, what first step I have to do? I have to make the factors of the given part. So, first number is 12. So, first I have to take the factors of the 12. So, which is the smaller number which can divide to the 12? Obviously, 2, 6 are 12. Again, that 6. 2 can divide to the 6. That's why 2 3s are 6. That means that are the factors of the 12. Now, next number is 18. Okay. Next number is 18. Now, if I want to find out the factors of the 18, again I will divide that 18 by 2. That is smallest number. Okay. So, answer is 9. So, 2 9s are 18. Now, that 2 not divisible by any another number, but that 9 So which is a smaller number which can divide to the 9? Obviously 3. So 3 threes are 9. That's why the factor of the 18 are 2 into 3 into 3. 2 threes are 6, 6 threes are 18. That means our factors are correct. Now I have taken the factors of 12 and 18 because I want to find out the HCF for the number 12 and 18. Okay. Now I have found out that factors by which method? Horizontal methods. I can use the vertical method also to find out the factors. Okay. Now I have found out the factors. Now I want to find HCF. Okay. This is the simple factorization process. Now what I want to find out HCF, highest common factor. For that purpose I will take out common factor from the both numbers. So which are the common factors? Here I will write common factor. Now which are the common factor? That 2 is here. That 2 is here. That means that 2 is common. So 2. Then next number, that 2 is here but not here. That means that 2 is not common. That 3 is here and that 3 is here. That means 3 is common. Now remaining is that 3. But that 3 is not here. That's why that 3 is not common. So how many factors are common? Only 2 factors are common. 2 and 3 is the common. So if I want to find out HCF of 12 and 18 is equals to what I have to take? I have to take the product of the common factors. Which are the common factors? 2 and 3. So I will take the product of 2 and 3. So 2 3s are 6. That's why therefore HCF of 12 and 18 is answer is 6. Okay, this is the method to find out the HCF of the given number by factorization. You can also use the division method. You will get the same answer by the division method. Okay. Now how to use the division method that I have teach you in the last lecture. You can also practice division method for the same number. You will get same HCF from division method also. Now today's point, that is LCM. I have find out HCF for the 12 and 18. What is the HCF of 12 and 18? Answer is 6. Now I want to find out LCM. The meaning of word LCM is least common multiples. That means common multiples. That means again I have to take the factorization. Now like that I have to take first factor. So which are the factors of 12? Same factors. 12 factors of 12, 2 into 2 into 3 and factors of 18 are 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. What I have done? I have taken the factors of the number 12 and 18. Because here also least common multiples, that's why I have taken factorization. Here for finding the LCM, division method is not applicable. Only factorization method is applicable to find out the LCM. Now I have taken out what? I have taken out the factors of the given number. Which are the given number? 12 and 18. So factors are 2, 2, 3, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Again 2 3s are 6 and 6 3s are 18. That's why the factors of 12 and 18 I have taken out. Now if I want to find out HCF, what I will take? Common factors, and after that I will take the product of common factors. That product is nothing but the HCF. Now I want to find out LCM. First I have taken the factors. Now that 2, how many more times that 2 is occurred? How many times that 2 is occurred? Here 1, 2. 2 times 2 is here, and into the 18, how many times 2 occurs? Only 1 time. That means into the 12, that 2 occurs maximum time. Okay, that 2 occurs maximum time into the factors of 12. And how many more time that 2 is occurred? 2 times. Maximum times 2 times. So 2 occurs like that. What I will do? I will write like that. 2 occurs how many times? 1, 2. Here is only 1 time. That means maximum times are 2 times. So 2 occurs 2 times. Then that 3. Next factor is 3. Now 3 here 3 occurs only 1 time. But into the factors of 18, 3 occurs 1 and 2 times. That means that 3 also occurs 2 times. Okay. So how many times 2 occurs? 2 times. And how many times 3 occurs? 2 times. Okay. Now what I have taken? I have taken the maximum occurrence of the factor. So 2 occurs maximum 2 times, 3 occurs maximum 2 times. Now if I want to find out LCM of 12 and 18, what I will do? I will take the product of 2 into 2 and 3 into 3 occurs 2 times. So 2 occurs 2 times. So 2 into 2. And 3 occurs also 2 times. So into 3 into 3. Because that 3 also occurs 2 times. That 2 occurs 2 times. And 3 also occurs 2 times. That's why I have taken the multiplication of maximum occurrence of the multiples. Okay. So 2 occurs 2 times. That means I have taken the multiplication of 2 times. 2 into 2. Again 3 occurs 2 times. That's why I have taken 3 into 3. Now I have to take the product of all the numbers. So 2 2s are 4 into 3 3s are 9 and 4 9s. 9 4s are 36. So LCM, therefore LCM of 12 and 18 is equals to 36. Okay. All of you understand the difference between finding the HCF and LCM? For finding the LCM and LCM, one point is common, that is factorization. You have to take the factors into HCF also and into the LCM also. Once you find the factor, you have to take only common factor for the HCF and you have to take the product of that common factors. You will get the HCF. But if you want to find out LCM, you have to take maximum occurrence of the factors. So 2 occur maximum 2 times and 3 occur maximum 2 times. So 2 occurs 2 times, 3 occurs 2 times. Therefore, LCM of 12 and 18 is equals to what I have taken? The multiplication. Now 2 occurs 2 times, that's why 2 into 2 and again into multiply 3. 3 is the next factor and 3 occurs maximum 2 times. So 3 into 3. So 2 2s are 4 and 3 3s are 9. So 4 9s are 36. That's why LCM of the 12 and 18 is 36. Okay? I think all of you understand how to find out the LCM of the given number. Okay? So from these examples, all of you understand what is the difference between LCM and LCM and how you can find out the LCM of the numbers. Here you have to keep one thing into mind, that division methods for finding the HCF is not applicable for finding the LCM. Okay? It is applicable only for finding the HCF. So this is the one of the example for finding the LCM. Now I think all of you are able to find out the HCF and LCM of the given number. So one more example we will take. Okay, I will take that example. And here we will take another number. So from this I will take, suppose 18 and 30. 18 and 30. Now what I have to find out? The LCM of 18 and 30. So for finding the LCM, what I have to take? First the factors. So 18. 2 9s are 18. Again 2 into 9s, 3 into 3. So 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. That are the factors of the 18. Now next number is 30. Now smallest number which can divide into the 30 is 2. So 15. So 15 2s are 30. Okay. Now that 2 is not divisible, but that 15 can be divisible by another number. So which is the smaller number? That is 3. So 3 5s are 15. Now that 2 is not divisible, that 3 also not divisible by another number, and 5 also not divisible by another number. That means factorization process is over. So 2 3s are 6 and 6 5s are 30. That means our factors are 30. Now what I have taken? I have taken the factors of the both given numbers. Though the number may be 2 numbers or 3 numbers. Okay. Now again we will take one more number into that. So we will take 15 into that. Okay. 15. So you have to find out the LCM of 18, 30 and 15. Now here I will take the factors of the 15. So 2 cannot be divided to the 50. So which is the smaller number which can divide to the 50 is the 3. So 3 5s are 15. So which are the factors of 15? 3 and 5. Now I have taken factors of all the given numbers. How many numbers are given? 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. I have to find out the LCM of that. Okay. Now for finding the least common multiple, what I will do? I will take the maximum occurrence of the all factors. So that 2 occurs how many times here? Only 1 time. Here also 1 time, and here not a single time. That means 2 occur only 1 time. Now that 3 occurs here 2 times, here 1 time, and here 1 time. That means maximum occurrence of 3 is 2 times. Now 2 3 over, now 5. That 5 occurs how many times here? Here no 5, that means 0 times. Here only 1 time, and here also only 1 time. That means maximum occurrence is only 1 time. Now what I have taken from the factors, I have taken the maximum occurrence of all the factors. Now at the last I will take the product of all the maximum occurrence of all the factors. Now that LCM of which are the numbers 18, 30 and 15 is equals to what I have to take? I have to take the product of maximum occurrence of all the factors. So first factor is 2. 2 occurs how many times? Only 1 time. That's why only one times I have taken it. Now that 3 occurs 2 times. That's why 3 into 3. Now last factor is 5. That 5 also occurs only 1 time. That's why I have taken only 1 time 5. 2 occurs 1 time. That's why 1 time I have taken 2. 3 occurs 2 times. That's why 2 times, and 5 occurs only 1 time. And simply I have to take the product of maximum occurrence of all the factors. So 2 3s are 6 into 3 5s are 15. Therefore 6 15s are 9. So LCM of 18, 13 and 15 is the 9. Okay. All of you understand how I have find out the LCM? First I have taken the factors. Then for finding the LCM, least common multiple, I have taken out maximum occurrence of all the factors of all the numbers. And simply I have taken the product of maximum occurrence of all the factors. So I will get the LCM of the numbers. If you want to find out the LCM, what will be the difference? After finding the factors, we have to take only common multiples, and the product of that common multiples will be the HCF. And here into the LCM I have taken maximum occurrence of all the factors and product of maximum occurrence of all the factors. So into the today's lecture we have seen what is the difference between HCF and LCM, and how to find out LCM of 2 numbers or LCM of any 3 numbers. Okay friends, thank you.